OPPO Enco X3 premium earbuds launched with lossless audio and impressive noise cancellation, powered by the BS2700 chipset. The Enco X3 features a dual driver design with an 11mm bass driver and a 6mm tweeter. This configuration delivers powerful bass, clear midtones, and crisp highs, providing a balanced and immersive listening experience. Noise cancellation technology in the Enco X3 effectively reduces ambient noise by up to 50 dB, allowing you to enjoy your music without distractions. AI call noise reduction, VPU bone voiceprint recognition, and an updated anti-wind noise algorithm further enhance noise control, ensuring clear voice calls even in noisy environments. For improved voice clarity, the earbuds utilize real-time human voice detection, boosting noise reduction efficiency by 200%. Dual DAC and a 3-microphone system further enhance audio quality during calls and music playback. Audiophiles will appreciate the wireless lossless audio transmission, offering a 1 megabit transfer rate. Bluetooth 5.4 and LHDC 5.0 support playback at 192 kHz, 24-bit, providing a superior listening experience. The sound is fine-tuned by Dynaudio, and the earbuds also support spatial audio for an immersive listening experience. The Enco X3 earbuds are equipped with an 11mm bass driver and a 6mm treble dual dynamic coil unit. Powered by the BS2700 chipset, these earbuds offer 50 dB adaptive active noise cancellation, ANC, and 5500 Hz ultra-wideband noise reduction to block out ambient noise. The Enco X3 has features like AI call noise reduction, VPU bone voiceprint recognition, and an anti-wind noise algorithm for clearer calls. Its real-time human voice calculation claims to increase voice denoising performance by 200%, ensuring better communication in noisy environments. It also comes with a dual DAC and a 3-mic system. Gesture controls allow you to play-pause music, manage calls, and adjust volume with simple hand movements. The earbuds come with an IP55 rating, making them resistant to dust and water, so they can be used even when slightly wet. Each earbud contains a 58 mAh battery, while the charging case has a 566 mAh capacity. Both wired and wireless charging are supported, with wireless charging available at up to 10 watts. These wireless earbuds seem to be catered towards both audiophiles and casual users for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.